First, insert the sensor into the computer USB port. Open the Xpectvision icon. Enter the software interface. Select About from the menu bar. Click Activation. In the pop-up window, enter your name, phone number, email address, institution, SN. After filling in the information correctly, click Save. Click OK. Activation Method Selection Method 1, Online Activation. Click Activate. Click OK. The account password for logging into the software system is admin. Click to log in. At this point, the software has been activated.